I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. I'm a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you are behind the fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last. And to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Kuya itu. Kuya itu.
Of being incompetent, mental health is confidence, dreams of modestness. I'm not here to say today, that's a really takeaway. I could play a million mind games, but it's set a stage. Something not illogical, something not as topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage in this red. I'll be great one day,